In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add cursor in Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire a cursor for your Android TV. This is going to work regardless of the brand and manufacturer, and you will have full control over a virtual cursor. It might be easier to navigate depending on your preferences, so you will be able to choose from either of these options. Now, to my knowledge, there isn't a native application that will do this for most Android TVs. So what I recommend is first, if you notice that you have a cursor icon on your remote, this is always going to be by far the best option available. So check your remote, and if you see something similar to this one where you see a cursor with either the left click or both, then all that you have to do is press this down, usually for around 3 seconds. So press and hold this button for around 3 seconds and see if a cursor appears on screen. If it does, then it means that it is natively built into your specific Android TV model, and it is going to work natively. So all that you have to do is press this button. Now, if you don't have this button on your specific model, the next best thing to do is to connect a Bluetooth mouse. There are plenty of manufacturers out there for cheap Bluetooth mice, but Logitech is a very good one and it is not too expensive. So I highly recommend acquiring a Bluetooth mouse from them. And all that you have to do after this is see if your TV has Bluetooth capabilities, press the button on the mouse itself to enable pairing mode, and once this mouse is in pairing mode, you will be able to choose it from the list of available devices nearby your TV. Once it is connected, once again, you will have full access to a virtual cursor to navigate on the menus of the TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to add cursor in Android TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.